How does that song go, man? Summertime and living's easy. Well, it's summertime, and living's not easy for me. I just got done working 12 hours, started in the wee early hours of the morning. I just got home and I'm just kind of chilling out in my backyard, kicked back, relaxing, enjoying a tasty alcoholic beverage. But I want life to be easy for me.
Easy streets.
I really do. So before I tell you how to make life easy for you, do me a favor. You know what I'm going to say. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's what keeps me going. It's what helps this channel, and it gets me closer to my goal. And my goal is your goal. Because I'm taking this journey for you. I'm helping you out. I'm making all the mistakes for you before you can make them for yourself. I'm the midlife YouTuber. I was doing 30 videos in 30 days, and I accomplished that. So where do I go from there? So how about 50 videos in 50 days? Not to mention at least another 25 shorts.
Shorts.
I just started doing shorts. Don't know if they're worth doing, trying it out. But I'm trying it out so you don't have to. If it doesn't work out for me, probably won't work out for you. So how am I going to make more money?
Money.
Well, the legal ways to make more money, easiest way is YouTube. And I'm convinced of that. And I already see that this can work. I've mentioned the communities that I'm on, and I'm watching so many people on these communities make it. They're making that 1,000 subscriber mark and the 4,000 hours, and they're getting monetized, and they're making money off of that. That's just one way that they're making money. I was talking to a guy in the chat function today in one of these communities, and he's making a couple $1,000s a month just by doing the affiliate program on Amazon. It's so easy to set up. I already have it set up. I already have one thing that I talked about on one of my videos. I talked about the little new YouTuber set that I got, which I'm using right now. It's this microphone and a receiver that attaches to my phone, and the tripod that my phone is on. And there's lights for it, which I don't need because I'm outside right now. But completely indispensable, and it has helped me. It has literally been part of every single video that I've made. And I've already sold a few of them. Some people have watched that previous video and they went out and bought it. I made a couple bucks off it. That's great. I get 4% off it. It's a $60 thing, 4% off it. I'm not going to get rich off it, but you know what? If I had 10 products or 20 products or 50 products that I pimp throughout my videos, that number goes up exponentially. And once you have your 100 videos and your 1,000 subscribers and you're monetized and you're making money off the ad revenue on YouTube, and then you're making money off of Amazon, and then maybe by then I'll have a class. I'll be making money off that. Maybe I'll be selling thumbnails, which is something I've very seriously considered doing because my thumbnails are honestly pretty awesome. But I'm going to focus on the Amazon affiliate program right now. Super simple. On your Amazon page, scroll all the way to the bottom. It says make money with us. You click on that. You fill out some stuff. You tell them that you got a YouTube channel. They're probably going to approve you. They approve you. Now, most of the products, any product that is part of their affiliate program, will offer you a percentage, usually about 4% when you're starting out. All you have to do is copy that link, put it in your video, and every time somebody clicks on that and buys it, you get 4% of the purchase price. I know it works because, like I said, I've already made a couple sales, I think 3, 4, something like that. But proof positive that it works. That's a phenomenal way to make money. Absolutely great. Another way, I'm not great at editing videos. Maybe you're amazing at editing videos. Maybe that's why you started doing this YouTube thing.
Okay, the edit. The brutal edit.
Because you knew how to edit videos. Or maybe you're great at SEO, search engine optimization. That's something that you can help people do because not everybody's good at it. You go to Upwork, there's a bunch of other websites, but you go on to Upwork and you set yourself up as a provider, and then, like, I want to make thumbnails. Another YouTuber not good at thumbnails. Need help making a thumbnail. I can do that. Charge them a couple bucks. You're great at editing. Go on Upwork. Set yourself up as a provider. Somebody like me who's not very good at editing can go there, pay for you to do it. It's another way to make money. That's 3 ways to make money on YouTube, and only one of which requires you to get the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 view hours. The other 2 ways you can do starting at day 1. Another way you can do it, depending on what your channel is, if you have something that you can coach other people to do,
Coach.
you can charge them for that coaching. Life coaching, fitness coaching, coaching somebody on how to do their YouTube channel. These are all ways to make money. People will pay for you to teach them how to do what you know how to do.
Pay me!
It's a 4th way to make money, and only one of them requires a subscription amount. So get yourself busy. You want to make more money. You want to be able to retire. You want to live the life of leisure. You want to go on a fantastic trip or a couple vacations a year. Get busy. Make some money on YouTube. So stop watching this video. Well, stop after you like, comment, and subscribe. Cast your line, catch your first fish. You have yourself a great day. I'm going to finish drinking my beverage.